Alright, this is Mass Mods. This is just going to be my quick, intuitive Rubik's Cube solve. Let me just get started by scrambling this bad boy up. I get stuck so much I can barely control it. It's a pain in the ass. I added petroleum jelly to it, but that didn't seem to help. It actually made it worse. So, just trying to work around it, you know? Alright, so that seems pretty much scrambled to me. So let me just get started here. Done. Not really sure how long that took, but that was totally intuitive, and that's it.